Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to apply for a Klarna credit limit increase. So if you've been wondering how to apply for a Klarna credit limit increase, then this video is for you. I'm gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done, and it's gonna be a really quick video, so let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're gonna do, of course, is to log into your Klarna account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can do so on the website online. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the accounts tab. Now there you just want to click on credit limits increase. Now you're gonna need to fill out the application form, so just go ahead and carefully fill that out. And once that's done, submit the application, and all you got to do is wait for Klarna's decision on increasing your credit limits. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a Klarna credit limit increase. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.